Why? Let me hit it. Wait a minute. This is gonna be fucking terrible.
I got to pee.
Yeah, I sold my bad. I'm excited. I sold my bad.
Straighten it out. No, dude, it's like tail tilted this way. Bring the bottom. There you go.
There you go.
Right there?
Yeah.
All right, go for it. I'm fucking dying. Let's go.
Go!
If it goes
We're good
up,
to go.
Jacob, you need to swim away from it.
I'm stuck. You'll be all right.
Yeah, because if
Just
you,
make
if
sure
that,
you don't go
if
off that
hits
side
the
of him.
Hey, if you hit me, I'm gonna fucking kill you.
You're not dead.
It's not gonna work something like that.
It might work. Good job.